Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about the best picture settings for our Sony a7iv camera. So of course, you can adjust the camera according to your environment, but generally you want to apply this following setting right here. Now for the first one, you want to set your mode to A, which is the aperture priority. And then for ISO, you want to set this to auto. The range is going to be between 100 and 12,800. ISO Auto Min SS is going to be at 1 by 250S or 1 by 500S. For focus, you want to set this to AF-C plus the focus area, tracking flexible spot M. And for subject detection, you want to turn this on if your subject is set to people, animal, or bird. For the visuals, you want to use the ST or standard for the natural look or vivid for punchier colors. For the soft skin effect, you want to turn this off to preserve the natural texture of your subject. For format, you want to use RAW. Basically, it provides us with the lossless compress plus JPEG-HEIF. Now, some additional tips for the dial customization. You want to use the rear dial for the exposure compensation. And for video, you could just go ahead and use the following setting right here for the cinematic look without grading. And for anti-dust, you want to set this to off or to on to protect the sensor during lens changes. And so guys, you could just modify this depending on your environment, but generally this is going to be the overall best setting. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.